In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Indeed resume. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, creating a resume on Indeed is a straightforward process, and having a great resume is essential when you're looking for a job. So let's dive right in. First, if you haven't already, you need to visit the Indeed website. Open your web browser and type in Indeed.com. The site is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it a great resource for job seekers. Once you're there, you can either sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. If you're new to Indeed, signing up is simple. Just click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts. You will be asked for your email address and to create a password. Once you're signed in, you'll see multiple options, but for this tutorial, we want to focus on creating our resume. Look for the Resume option on the top of the page. Clicking there will take you to the Resume section, where you can see a button that says Build Your Resume. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where you're going to start entering your information. You'll see fields for your name, contact information, and job title. It's important to fill this out accurately, so make sure you enter your full name, a professional email address, and your phone number. To keep your contact info private, you can choose whether or not to display it publicly once your resume is complete. After the basics come the work experience section. This is arguably the most crucial part of your resume, so take your time here. You'll be prompted to enter your job titles, company names, and the dates you worked there. It's a good idea to also include bullet points detailing your responsibilities and achievements in each role. Think about the skills you used and any significant contributions you made that helped your team or the company. Next, you'll move on to the education section. This is where you can add your educational background. Input the name of your school, the degree you obtained, and the years you attended. If you're a recent graduate, it might be beneficial to include relevant coursework or honors you received. For those who have been out of school for a while, focusing on your work experience may be more helpful to potential employers. Once you have filled out both the work experience and education sections, it's time to add any additional sections. Indeed allows you to include skills, certifications, and personal summaries. Think about the skills that are relevant to the positions you're applying for and make sure to highlight those. This gives potential employers a clearer picture of what you bring to the table. After you've completed all sections, take a moment to review your resume for any typos or errors. Attention to detail is key, as this is often the first impression a hiring manager will have of you. Once you're satisfied, you'll have the option to save it or download it. Indeed also allows you to make your resume public, which can help recruiters find you. And that's it. You now have a professional resume on Indeed that you can use to apply for jobs. Remember, your resume is not just a list of jobs. It's a marketing tool that showcases your experience and accomplishments. So keep it updated regularly as you gain new skills and roles. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on job searching. Good luck out there.